One other really nice thing about this course is that you've got a nice group of people. Chat group was very useful. You will get these small irritating doubts. Nobody ever tells you, this is a stupid thing to ask. They will go in, they will get the evidence. The most important thing is, especially with Mani sir, he used to always give me the paper and said, if you ask a doubt, he will say, this is the paper you need to read. And some of those, especially for colorectal, liver mets, etc., I found that extremely useful. So you just know exactly how to approach it. To keep it very simple, the mantra that I would recommend is be very sincere with the course. Try not to miss a single session, and take each and every session or week to try and prepare. Don't try and do too much, because that also will have a negative impact. So with respect to the academic viva, I think Mani sir's lecture was excellent. You get a good format in terms of how to go about it, and you need to just keep doing it again and again.